1. 1984 Chevrolet S10 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price, $16,500, located, Danville, Virginia. This 1984 Chevrolet S10 Regular Cab Short Bed is a well-built custom street truck that combines classic compact pickup styling with impressive V8 performance. Finished in red with a matching red interior, this S10 stands out with its aggressive appearance and strong mechanical package. The truck has been carefully maintained and updated, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for a reliable and enjoyable performance-oriented cruiser. Under the hood is a powerful 355 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine paired with a durable turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is complemented by a 3.73 rear gear ratio, providing strong acceleration and excellent street manners. The engine is reported to run exceptionally strong, delivering the kind of performance expected from a properly built small block Chevrolet combination. Recent improvements include upgraded audio equipment and new rear tires, enhancing both comfort and usability. The truck is driven regularly and has proven itself to be dependable on the road. With its clean presentation, strong drivetrain, and classic S10 styling, the Chevrolet offers an appealing blend of performance, character, and everyday enjoyment. 2. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $20,000, located, Lawrence Township, New Jersey. This 1971 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for serious performance enthusiasts who appreciate classic Chevrolet muscle combined with proven track-ready components. Finished in a straightforward race-oriented configuration, this Nova delivers impressive power and performance while maintaining the timeless appearance that has made early 70s Novas highly desirable among racers and collectors alike. Power comes from a massive 468 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine featuring a high-compression 13:1 setup and a Crane PowerMax solid lifter camshaft. The combination is engineered for strong acceleration and impressive horsepower output. Supporting components include an MSD ignition system and hooker headers, helping maximize performance and reliability at high engine speeds. The drivetrain consists of a TH350 automatic transmission equipped with a reverse manual valve body and a 10-inch cone racing converter. Power is transferred through a 12-bolt positraction rear axle fitted with 4.56 gears and Moser axles. Additional race-ready features include a 6-point roll cage, fuel cell, winter shifter, and numerous competition upgrades. This Nova is an excellent choice for dedicated drag racing enthusiasts. 3. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price, $23,500, located, Quarryville, Pennsylvania. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a powerful street and strip machine that delivers classic second-generation Camaro styling combined with serious big block performance. Finished in purple with a black interior, this Camaro has been upgraded extensively to create a thrilling driving experience for enthusiasts who appreciate traditional American muscle cars. Under the hood is a formidable 454 cubic inch Chevrolet engine equipped with a roller camshaft and long tube headers feeding into aggressive side pipes. Power is managed through a legendary Muncie Rock Crusher 4-speed manual transmission paired with a new McLeod clutch assembly, providing exceptional driver engagement and control. A 12-bolt rear axle with 4.11 gears ensures strong launches and impressive acceleration. Performance upgrades include traction bars, subframe connectors, competition engineering adjustable front shocks, a 6-point roll cage with removable door bars, and a driveshaft safety loop. Additional features include autometer phantom gauges, upgraded steering components, and a modern hands-free stereo system. This Camaro offers outstanding performance, classic muscle car character, and a driving experience that is both exciting and memorable. 4. 1979 Chevrolet El Camino Drag Car. Price, $4,500, located, Clayton, North Carolina. This 1979 Chevrolet El Camino drag car rolling chassis presents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a solid foundation for a custom competition build. Designed specifically for drag racing applications, this El Camino has already received important chassis and drivetrain upgrades that can save significant time and expense during a race car project. The vehicle is configured as a rolling chassis, allowing the next owner to install the engine and transmission combination of their choice. One of its most notable features is a Ford 9-inch rear axle, widely regarded as one of the strongest and most reliable rear-end designs in motorsports. The rear axle is equipped with aggressive 4.86 gears, making it ideal for quick acceleration and quarter-mile performance. The chassis has been set up to accommodate drag racing tire combinations, including 30x9 and 28x10.5 rear tire configurations. This flexibility allows racers to tailor the setup to specific competition classes and performance goals. With its proven drag racing platform and strong rear axle package, this El Camino offers outstanding potential for a dedicated race build. 5. 1989 Ford Mustang GT. Price, $17,500, located, Elkton, Virginia. This 1989 Ford Mustang GT is a highly modified fox-body performance car built for enthusiasts who appreciate extreme horsepower and serious street and strip capability. Finished with extensive upgrades throughout, this Mustang represents a substantial investment in performance engineering and custom fabrication, creating a vehicle that stands far above an ordinary street car. At the heart of the build is a powerful 351 Cleveland engine equipped with a turbocharger system and numerous supporting modifications. The combination has reportedly been developed to produce approximately 1,000 horsepower, placing it firmly in the realm of serious high-performance machinery. Extensive upgrades have been completed throughout the vehicle, contributing to both power production and reliability. The car has undergone significant mechanical and cosmetic improvements, with considerable attention given to both performance and presentation. The owner reports substantial investment in the overall build, resulting in a vehicle capable of delivering exceptional acceleration and strong track performance. Combining classic fox body styling with modern turbocharged power, this Mustang GT offers an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts seeking extreme performance and stand-up presence. 6. 1988 Ford Mustang Coupe. Price, $22,000, located, York Haven, Pennsylvania. This 1988 Ford Mustang Coupe is a powerful fox-body performance build that combines lightweight construction with a strong stroker engine package. Finished in bright orange, this Mustang has been developed for enthusiasts who enjoy classic American performance with modern upgrades that enhance both power and drivability. With relatively low mileage on its current setup, the vehicle remains an attractive option for street and strip enthusiasts alike. Power comes from a newly installed 408 cubic inch stroker engine designed to deliver impressive horsepower and strong torque throughout the RPM range. The engine is paired with a C4 automatic transmission equipped with a reverse pattern shift arrangement, providing quick and precise gear changes during spirited driving or competitive use. Additional upgrades include 3.73 rear gears and unibody reinforcement components that improve structural rigidity and help the chassis manage increased power levels. These modifications contribute to better traction, improved durability, and enhanced overall performance. Combining proven fox body Mustang styling, a fresh high-performance drivetrain, and carefully selected upgrades, this Mustang offers an exciting driving experience and excellent potential for future enjoyment. 7. 1985 Chevrolet S10 LS. Price, $17,000, located, Curtis Bay, Maryland. This 1985 Chevrolet S10 LS is a serious street and strip performance truck built to deliver impressive acceleration while maintaining street-driven practicality. Finished in green with a black interior, this compact Chevrolet pickup has been transformed into a high-performance machine capable of running 10-second quarter-mile times on E85 fuel. The combination of lightweight construction and modern LS power makes this S10 an exciting choice for performance enthusiasts. Under the hood is a durable 6-liter iron block LS engine equipped with a BTR Stage 4 turbo camshaft and a large 78mm turbocharger system. Engine management is handled by a Holley Terminator setup, providing precise fuel and ignition control. Power is transferred through a TH350 transmission featuring a full manual reverse pattern valve body and a 3800 stall converter. Additional upgrades include aftermarket 31 spline axles, full spool differential, Caltrac suspension components, mono-leaf springs, coilover shocks, and fresh ET street tires. The truck also features upgraded driveline components and lightweight steering equipment. This S10 offers impressive performance, modern reliability, and excellent potential for both street and track use. 8. 1979 Ford Mustang Bullitt Coupe. Price, $22,500, located, Essex, Maryland. This 1979 Ford Mustang Bullitt Coupe is a dedicated drag racing vehicle built for enthusiasts who appreciate lightweight fox platform performance and competition-focused engineering. Finished in black and maintained in clean condition, this Mustang has been developed specifically for straight-line performance while retaining the unmistakable appearance that made the Fox body generation a favorite among racers. The vehicle is configured as a drag race car and has been prepared with performance in mind. Its lightweight platform provides an excellent foundation for acceleration and consistent track results. Fox body Mustangs have long been regarded as one of the most popular drag racing platforms due to their favorable weight distribution, strong aftermarket support, and ability to handle substantial horsepower. The clean title and well-kept condition make this Mustang an appealing choice for racers seeking a competition-ready vehicle without starting from scratch. Whether used for bracket racing, test and tune events, or future performance upgrades, this Mustang offers outstanding potential. Combining classic Fox body styling with race-oriented capability, it represents an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a dedicated drag racing machine. 9. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $26,500, located, Clarksville, Virginia. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro is a purpose-built bracket racing machine that combines iconic first-generation Camaro styling with proven drag racing performance. Finished in black, this Camaro has been carefully assembled to deliver consistent results at the track while maintaining the aggressive appearance that has made the model one of the most desirable muscle cars ever produced. Power comes from a potent 421 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine topped with a 177 supercharger. This combination delivers strong power throughout the operating range and provides the instant throttle response expected from a Roots-style blower setup. The engine is paired with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission, a proven favorite among drag racers due to its durability and consistency. Designed as a dedicated bracket car, the vehicle is reported to run highly repeatable elapsed times, making it well-suited for competitive racing. The alcohol-fueled engine setup contributes to cooler operating temperatures and excellent performance under demanding conditions. This Camaro offers a winning combination of classic muscle car appeal, reliable racing hardware, and consistent track performance for serious enthusiasts. 10. 1970 Dodge Challenger Coupe. Price, $27,000, located, Schwenksville, Pennsylvania. This 1970 Dodge Challenger Coupe is a highly desirable Mopar muscle car that blends classic styling with modern performance upgrades. Finished in red with a black interior, this Challenger retains the aggressive appearance that made the E-body platform famous while benefiting from carefully selected mechanical enhancements that improve power, handling, and overall drivability. Power comes from a 408 cubic inch stroker engine based on a 360 Chrysler block. Fuel and ignition management are controlled by a modern Holley EFI system, providing improved reliability, efficient operation, and excellent throttle response. The current drivetrain includes a 4-speed overdrive transmission that enhances highway cruising and everyday usability. The suspension system has been upgraded with performance torsion bars and front and rear sway bars from Hotchkiss, helping improve handling and cornering stability. Braking performance has been significantly enhanced through the installation of a Wilwood Big Brake package. The vehicle also includes a brand new Tremec T56 6-speed transmission kit ready for installation. Combining classic Mopar heritage, modern technology, and strong V8 performance, this Challenger offers an exceptional driving experience for muscle car enthusiasts. 11. 1972 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $18,000, located, North Babylon, New York. This 1972 Chevrolet Malibu is a classic American muscle car that combines timeless Chevrolet styling with serious big block performance. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior with a black interior, this Malibu offers the aggressive stance and road presence that enthusiasts expect from a well-built early 70s street machine. The vehicle is currently road-ready and prepared for its next owner to enjoy immediately. Under the hood sits a powerful 502 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine, delivering the kind of torque and acceleration that has made large displacement Chevrolet combinations legendary among muscle car enthusiasts. The engine is paired with a performance-oriented slap-shift automatic transmission, creating a drivetrain package that is both exciting and enjoyable to drive. The vehicle has been upgraded with numerous performance components and supporting modifications that contribute to its strong overall performance. This Malibu has been maintained as a running and driving vehicle and is described as ready for regular use. Combining classic Chevelle-based styling, substantial big block power, and proven street performance, this Chevrolet represents an appealing opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a distinctive and capable muscle car with unmistakable American character. 12. 1977 Chevrolet Nova Hatchback. Price, $12,500, located, Jumping Branch, West Virginia. This 1977 Chevrolet Nova hatchback is a classic street machine that combines practical drivability with dependable V8 performance. Built around one of Chevrolet's most popular compact platforms, this Nova offers a great balance of classic styling, straightforward mechanical design, and strong performance potential. Its hatchback body style adds a unique touch that helps distinguish it from more common Nova configurations. Power comes from a blueprint-built 355 cubic inch Chevrolet small block engine, a respected performance package known for reliability, strong power delivery, and excellent street manners. The engine provides the classic sound and driving experience expected from a well-built Chevrolet V8 while maintaining dependable operation for cruising and weekend use. The vehicle is reported to run and drive well, making it suitable for immediate enjoyment. The Nova retains its classic muscle car personality while benefiting from upgraded performance equipment that enhances overall drivability. Whether attending local cruise nights, car shows, or weekend gatherings, this hatchback offers plenty of character and appeal. Combining proven small block power, recognizable styling, and solid road manners, this Chevrolet Nova represents an affordable and enjoyable classic American performance car.